If your car's paint is starting to look dull, scratched, or just needs a little love, a car buffer can make a huge difference without damaging your paint. But with so many out there, choosing the right one can be a little confusing. That's why in this video, I'm going over the 6 best car buffers to make your car look brand new. Whether you're looking for something adjustable or a buffer suitable for professional use, there's something on my list for you. All the links to find the best prices will be in the description below. Also, the car buffers mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end to see which one suits you best. Number 6 is the Avid Power Buffer. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. It's a 6-inch dual-action random orbital polisher that moves in 2 ways to prevent swirl marks and burns during use. This makes it great for beginners who might be nervous about messing up the paint. It runs on an 850-watt motor and offers 6 variable speed settings that range from 1,500 to 6,800 orbits per minute. So you can adjust it depending on whether you're waxing, polishing, or trying to get rid of oxidation and scratches. Another thing I like about this buffer is the ergonomics. It has a rubberized body and an adjustable D handle that gives you a non-slip grip. That comes in handy if you're working on multiple panels or detailing a whole car. It also includes 3 different polishing pads, yellow for heavy cuts, orange for medium, and black for finishing. So right out of the box, you're set for every stage of the job. And it includes the 7-inch foam pads that are larger than the 6-inch backing plate, so you don't accidentally hit edges and scratch the paint. Overall, if you're just starting out or want a budget-friendly buffer, this one is the solid pick for you. Number 5 is the Grio Garage G9. This is the most ergonomic buffer on our list. It features a 1,000-watt motor and a 9mm throw, which gives you a nice balance between power and control. Another great feature is the grip design. It has a double-shot rubber platypus head grip and a contoured body that naturally fits your fingers. You'll feel the difference during longer detailing sessions with less fatigue and better control. Now, the motor runs between 2,000 and 6,400 orbits per minute, and it stays consistent even under pressure thanks to constant speed control. So if you are polishing a hood or tackling stubborn oxidation on the roof, you're not going to feel sudden drops in performance. It comes with a 6-inch vented backing plate, and if you want more flexibility, it's also convertible to a 5-inch system. And the tool includes quick-access side ports for replacing brushes and even rest pads on the body, so you can place it down without it rolling away. So if you want an ergonomic buffer that works hard but also goes easy on your hands, this one is the best option for you. Number 4 is the Chemical Guys Torque X. This is the best buffer for professional use on our list. It's easy to use and comes with everything you need. It has a 700-watt motor and an 8mm throw. While the motor isn't the strongest in this list, it's well balanced and the design is compact and easy to control, which makes it perfect for precision work on clear coats, metal, headlights, and glass. The polisher comes as part of a full kit that includes 3 hex logic pads for cutting, polishing, and finishing, as well as 4 polishing compounds. That makes it a full 4-stage system right out of the box. Another great feature is the compatibility with multiple backing plate sizes like 3-inch, 5-inch, and 6-inch. So you can use it for everything from tight corners to wide body panels. Plus, it's light, compact, and designed to be used over and over without fatigue, which is exactly what professionals look for. Overall, if you are looking for a professional buffer kit that delivers pro-level results without needing to buy separate accessories, this one is a great option for you. And if you want to know the latest prices of the car buffers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below, and if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Maxshine M21 Pro. This is the most adjustable buffer on our list. If you are working on larger surfaces and want a machine that covers more area with each pass, this one's built for that. It has a huge 21mm throw, which is the widest in this list and helps polish big areas faster with fewer passes. And it runs on a 1,000-watt motor, so it feels powerful without being aggressive. There's also a variable speed trigger that gives you real-time control, and it also has a locking feature, so you don't have to keep pressing down the whole time. The speed dial ranges from 2,200 to 5,000 orbits per minute, and it's easy to read and click into place without accidentally jumping settings. Another thing I like is the comfort. It has a large, soft rubber horn grip and rubber coating around the head for better handling. The cable is 13 feet long and reinforced, so you've got more freedom to move around a vehicle without constantly replugging. Overall, if you are looking for an adjustable buffer with high area coverage, this one is the smart option for you. Number 2 is the Baka Cordless Portable Polisher. This is the best cordless buffer on our list. It weighs just 3 pounds and runs on 2 rechargeable 12-volt batteries that are both included in the box, along with a fast charger. You can keep one battery charging while the other is in use, so you're never stuck mid-detail. As Dima wrote, this is a very light polisher that works great for waxing and light paint correction. The battery lasts significantly longer than other battery-powered polishers I've used, and it charges quickly too. With 2 batteries, you'll definitely be able to complete the job efficiently. I've used 2 other polishers that looked similar, one even more expensive, but they were junk. The batteries kept falling off. This polisher, however, works flawlessly. Now it has a 5mm random orbit motion and 6 speed settings ranging from 2,500 to 5,000 orbits per minute. That's more than enough for waxing, polishing, and even light correction tasks. Another great feature is the battery indicator light. Green means fully charged, yellow means halfway, and red means it's time to swap. So you'll never be surprised by a sudden power loss. It's built with high-impact ABS plastic and a copper core motor, which helps with durability and reduces noise. And while it's marketed mainly for vehicles, a lot of users also use it for sinks, bathtubs, and even furniture polishing. Overall, if you are looking for a cordless buffer that's simple to use and easy to carry, this one is the solid pick for you. Number 1 is Adam's Swirl Killer LT Polisher. This is the best overall buffer on our list. This offers the best balance between power, ergonomics, and versatility for both beginners and professionals. It comes with a 1,000-watt motor with a 9mm throw, which gives you great surface correction without being too aggressive, and the speed ranges from 2,500 to 6,500 orbits per minute, letting you wax, polish, and remove defects with precision. Another thing I like about this buffer is its design. It features a rubberized head and a concave grip that absorbs vibration and keeps your hands from tiring out during longer sessions. It's also lightweight at just under 5.5 pounds, so it's easy to hold and control even during longer polishing sessions. And with a 16-foot cord, you get plenty of room to move around the car without needing to constantly switch outlets. Plus, there's also a balance block that keeps the tool stable when set down, which might seem like a small thing, but really helps avoid accidents in a busy workspace. Now, compared to other models on the list, it's powerful enough for full paint correction, yet gentle and ergonomic enough for smaller jobs too. Overall, if you're looking for one tool that does it all, this is the overall best option to buy on our list. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect car buffer for you. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you find a car buffer you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each model. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.